Lovelies, join me as I challenge myself to make some good amount of money on this mobile app. I know you're going to think, Christine's bring for us again how to make surveys, how to do this, how to post. No, that's not the case. This is so much friendly. I'm challenging myself, and I've been challenging myself on this app where I've been earning, and now I want to earn more amount of money. Which app is this? The app is a financial transfer app. Where you are, I know you might be using these transfers, but this is an opportunity for you to earn money and to make money and to save money while sending money back home. Before I dive into what is it all about on TapTap Send, I would love to give you a very special statistics, and I cheer you up really to join me. Are you surprised? Yes, don't be surprised. So, here is a surprising statistic about money transfer fees. While banks remain one of the most commonly used channels for sending money abroad, they also charge some of the highest fees, with an average cost of around 12% per transaction as of late 2023 research. In comparison, using mobile operators for transfers is significantly cheaper, averaging about 4.4%, and money transfer operators cost about 5.5%. This means that using a bank transfer could cost you nearly 3 times more in fees than using a mobile operator for the same transaction of the same amount. Given these differences, it might be worth reconsidering your money transfer options to save on fees. You guys, come back. Yeah, I let you know. As we've had this statistics that I went deep in and researched on, and I confirm, because I've been sending money for the past 7 years, for the past 8 years. I've been seeing the queues, and even we've been seeing the exchange rate. Let me you guys introduce you what we call TapTap Send. But before I introduce you TapTap Send, I would love to give a shout out to every individual, every person that has been with the market show, that person that you've been there and say, let me grow on, be good on this channel. But above all, I shout up and I really much respect to every individual that has heard what we teach and you put it to action. You've even thought, you have had a second thought, even if you've not started. This is Christine once again on your market show. You guys, it's a lovely day. This smile shows you how we are making money online. But before we go into deep details, you people, I want to tell you that TapTap Send is one of the revolutionary tool for sending money international. And today, I'm going to be giving you a highlight on what TapTap Send is. Together with me, we are going to go to this app. Bear with me. I want you to get your gadget. When I talk about the gadget, I mean, do you have a mobile phone? It can be, either Android or it can be iPhone. I don't mind about it. That's how good it is. So to begin with, the TapTap Send is a money transfer app, and this money transfer app is almost in 6 countries. You can cross above 40 countries. Where if you're in these 6 countries, if you're in Asia, let me say, if you're in UK, you're in AU, you are in US, you're in Canada, you're in United Arab Emirates, where I'm based, you can send money to African countries, you can send money to Asia, you can send money to other African other countries like Latin America and Caribbean. You guys, with this transfer mobile money wallets, it works very perfect. So that is first thing I've told you. You can send this money. The second thing, you can use this app, this financial app, when you're seated right away at home, like the one sitting, and it takes no minute, it takes no even not even up to 2 minutes. No, you're done. Then the third thing is that it is highly rated on both on App Store and Google Play. It's rated 4.6. The users who have been there are giving a lot of testimonies like the way we're going to be seeing it. What really do I need to tell you about this more? If you really check on our screen, you can see that it is over 40, you can send to 40 countries. And the good thing, it is yet to come. Why I encourage you to use on this. I've been using it for past 1 year, but it is convenient, it is safe, and it is very fast. What do I mean convenient? You can sit at home, you use your smartphone, and let the money go Then, without forgetting that the rates are normal, the exchange is normal. That money that you've been spending on exchange rate, if you're to send, for example, 1 million in Uganda, here you would send above 1,100, put there like 15 dirham. That is the less money, 15,000 or 15 dirham for charges, without forgetting the queue. And at the same time, you don't forget that you have to put in your time without putting that. It is as easy as testing you people, like the way we message on WhatsApp and other things. That's how it is. Sending money, mobile money, is as easy as sending. And without you people, let me tell you, I'm telling you, and it is too much. The benefits of this app are very many. Don't forget that you can send money. You can send money on mobile, and at the same time, you can also deposit on accounts. This is how good it is. Now, there's something that I want to tell you about this. How to make money on this app. You're still waiting for it. Do you know the moment you bring a referral, the moment you refer to somebody, you're going to earn 40 dirham. Like, for example, I'm earning it. You're going to find it in your back end. You'll see there 40 dirham. That is 40,000 in Ugandan money. Suppose now you have around 10 people in a day who have used your code to send money. That is how much. Just, can I say it free? It doesn't stop on right there. Even the person who is using your code is going to get $20. I mean 20,000. 20,000 or 20 dirham, Don't mind me. Because every morning I see dollars. That's why I'm thinking about dollars. Can we see the people who have been, before I show you how exactly most individuals can imagine they are talking about it, including me. By the time I'm coming back to share with you after 1 year, it means I've gained from it. But let me read for you some of the witnesses. This one is from London. It's called Ayala. My experience with TapTap Send has been good and cheap. TapTap Send is a very good application I use to send money to my family. Even when I'm in Ivory Coast on holiday, I was using it to send money, and is giving it a 5-star. Another one is from Toronto. She's called Trang. Trang TapTap Send is a mind-blowing experience for me because of its great exchange. I know one of my friends recently told me, Christine, but how do these people gain? I told him, what do you want? I asked him, what do you want? You want to send money at no cost? Very easy, at your convenience. What do you want? How do they gain? This one is from Paris, is also giving a testimony of it. When you go to African countries, especially people who are now in United Arab Emirates, I don't know, you guys, don't say that I'm killing your market, especially the vendors. Please, be at the comfort of your home and send money. Make money. Now you're going to ask me, Christine, how do we make money out of this? One, by referral. Two, if you go to Facebook, you go to TikTok, you go to where, you have seen people putting TapTap Send, and they put their photo, they send money, especially from West Africa. Where, how do that is, they are making money. Me, I woke up one time, I found I had more than 1 million from 10 referrals. Even they were not even reaching, I don't know, they were very many referrals. I was like, what? So how do you use it? It means if I'm sending money, I'll not use any other money. It's the money I'm going to use. Your country should be there, or it might not be there, but go and check. It is over 40. 40 good 40 countries. The second way of making money, suppose you're saving even around $20 you're using to spend. Isn't it money? This is making good bucks of money. How many times do you send back home? Thirdly, let's put in timing. Let's put in time management. You're seated at the comfort of your home, you're making money. Fourthly, imagine they are calling you in the middle of the night. There is something that has happened. You will not go to hustle. You get your phone and you send money. Now let's dive in that you've known the benefits of this app, and we come to know exactly how do I start on this app. Without forgetting, you guys, before I go out of this, you can use it on you can use it on iPhone, you can use it on Android. What's wrong with you? What I want you to do right now, I want you to go to you go to this to the comment section, use my code. Please, so guys, let's now dive in and see exactly how do I access this app that Christine is praising like this. Yeah, remember I've told you there's no making surveys, there's no going to take pictures, there's no watching videos. It is only to handle and send money, refer. That's all. So what you need to do for me, I want you to go to App Store or you go to Play Store. Put there TapTap Send. It looks like this. You can see on the screen how it looks like. Download this TapTap Send. It's as easy. It is going to take for you. Take you less than 15 minutes setting your account. Set your account. Follow the prompts. Please, if you're someone who wants to be babysitted and you're like, Christine, I want to do with you because it deals with money, it has charges. Send me a message in private in my number or on our email. Then the charges are not many. But anyway, I'm not going to charge you because you're going to use my code. That's the charge. It is free of charge. I'm going to go through with you. Set up your account. If you finish setting up, just for your prompts, set up the account. What do you need for you to set up your account? You need your identity card, or if you're in United Arab Emirates, you need Emirates ID. Then the second thing, what you need your passport. What you need also, like if you're in other countries, the same documents you need, they will be in your dashboard. The requirements, if you open like this, if you're in UK, if you're in Sweden, you're going to see which you're in AU, which documents do I need? You're going to see it there. It is as simple as that, you people. I said, let us not stamp on why they say that if you want to hide something from an African or a person, you hide it in a book. No, we're unveiling them now. So follow the prompts, put your email address. Remember, you have to have the active number of that country which is eligible in sending this money. So put your United Arab Emirates. You're going to put the United Arab Emirates number. After setting up the account, you're going to see that you have do you know what you have? You have a referral code. That referral code is what you're going to earn from. Every time someone wants to send money, please give them, especially on their first referral. On the first sending. Please do this. Don't make a mistake. You send your first sending. You say, okay, let me send. I'll use her code next time. No, the first sending. I know the question that you have in your mind is like, Christine, how much do I need to send? On your first sending, you need to send at least 40 dirham. But you can do that. You've been sending more than that, 40 dirham, for somebody to get benefit from you, and you also to benefit from the other one. You guys, this is a two-way. I'm going to get 40 dirham. You're going to get 20 dirham. So suppose, let's go to calculation. You want to send 50 dirham in Uganda. If you want to get to send 50 dirham in Uganda, you're going to put my code on the first transfer. The person you're sending 50 dirham is going to get 70 dirham. You get it? So what I always encourage people, because maybe you might find you're sending to a friend and that friend is not going to bring you back your money, what you do, the first transfer, send it to your cross person, send it to your mom, and say, please keep that 20 dirham for me, because it will be automatic. When you're sending 20, 50, 20 will be there on top. Then it will come in my account. So guys, let's calculate now. Suppose you use for business people, because you are making money online. You always post this. I'm going to show you. There are some people, there's a guy called Citizen. There are some Kenyans and other people who are using, even there are some Filipinos, and there are some also Bangladesh people who are using this as business. Now let's talk about referral. If you use your code, if you make social media platforms telling people to send money, just telling them awareness, you say, but since I'm telling you that you can send money to India, you can send money to this Asia, any Asian country using my code, you get there. Do you know how much you'll earn? You earn a lot of money. You don't need anything. You don't need to do anything. Then second way of earning money on this, there are people who want to do business, and I always tell them, do it with TapTap Send. We have a number of individuals that they don't have bank account, they don't have Emirates ID, they don't have anything, documentation to do this. You can help them send money, but please, you can get some small bucks of money from them. How much? You can get 5 dirham, you can get 10 dirham from them. That is making amount of money. So suppose a day you're sending, let's say a day, in a week, you're sending for 5 people and you're taking 5 dirham. That is 25 dirham. That is 25,000. Then how much are you going to be working in 7 days? That is damn some good amount of money. Okay? So you guys, I encourage you to continue doing this. Let's recap before we end this video. I know this video has been long, but don't mind. One, if you've reached up to this stage of this video, I want you to write in the comment section tap tap send. The moment you write the word tap tap send, you put tap tap send and put thumbs up. You are going to win yourself money wired through tap tap send worth 10 dirham. So whether you are 1,000, you're going to win that. Secondly, let's recap of what we've said. Tap tap send, you can earn money, you can make money through transfers and through referrals. It is used both on Android and also on iPhones. You can make money just at the comfort of your home sitting. Nothing else. It's as easy as sending a message. Then also you can download it from both the app, that is Google Store and Google Store and App Store. After downloading, set up the account. Make sure you have the documentation. If you don't have the documentation, reach me out. I'm going to help you send this money. Yes, you've heard me right. So it is easier as that. You can make money through referrals, and also you can make money through sending for other people at a low cost. So does it sound well? Yes, it sounds well, and it is even more than beautiful to be true that some people don't believe it after even telling them for more than 1 year. So thank you very much. See you in another video.